now, along I to the hospital and the first lift. And the floors in these lifts are rather odd because the main floors of this hospital are A and B, which are the two main floors. Then in the different parts of the hospital, the upper floors all have different letters. So meaning in the different parts of this building, the floors aren't like A, B, C, where they are in one part, but then in another part of the hospital it carries on. So like in this lift, the floors are A, B, F and G. Since F is the same as floor C, but since F is like the third level, which is effectively floor C, but since you can't walk between F and floor C, they've given this floor a completely different name. I haven't actually seen floor numbering like this before.
Level P. Doors open. Lift going down. Doors closing. Level A. Doors open. Lift going up.
And now along I go to a really nice 90s piston lift. This lift's really awesome and it has a really unusual mechanism on the door. You can actually see the spring going along as the door closes. Let's ride it!
Floor F. Floor A.
And along I go to the next lift. It took me a while to find this lift. It's shown on the map, but it's sort of like a little tucked away 90s piston lift. Spooky!
Floor B. Floor F.
And now along I go to some eco discs. Along go to some old lifts which have been modernised, and they look like they've been modernised into crappy generics. And it says Cone on it, but it doesn't really mean anything since Cone actually did do quite a few generics in the 2000s after they took over some of their generic companies, and it looks like they're pretty much a stupid, horrible, modernised lift. Boring. But these lifts have intelligent levelling, which is very much a surprise. I did not expect this at all actually. These boring looking lifts and awesome intelligent levelling. These lifts must have Cone TMS controllers. Let's ride them!
Doors closing. Floor E. Doors opening. Doors closing. Floor A. Doors opening. Floor E. Doors opening.
And now along we go into Crawley and along to the first lift, which is by Lift Specialist Limited. Now these guys are such epic specialists.
Closing. Level 9. Doors opening.
And now up on the top floor, I then went and checked out the motor room, which was locked. So back to the lift had gone downstairs, so I called a lift came up and went out of service. Why did it do that? I was a bit confused, like it's working, the motor going out of service. So to find out, I opened it up and just take a look at this. It's overrun the top floor. What a stupid lift. This hit the overrun switch, which has broken the safety circuit. It now will not move until it's been manually lowered back into position. Because you see, Lift Specialist Limited specialise in reliable lifts, and they are so totally not just another shitty little generic company trying to make themselves look important. And now look, we go to the next lift, which is in some shop, and it goes between ground floor, loading bay and first floor. So what's the code for loading bay? Well, I wasn't able to work it out. Bugger!
Doors closing. First floor.
And now along to a supermarket and into a Zyle Zeta lift, and this lift was installed by the amazing, well-known lift company TJ Elevator Services, who are so totally not just another shitty old generic.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now along we go to another car park and into the lifts there, which are some shit lifts which have been modernised by, well, this is a Vona, except they don't exactly look like a Vonas, they're just basically generics.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
And now it's unauthorised lift serving, so yes!
This is up to service.
now along we go to the gym, which has a stupid ultra cheap generic lift. Well, what do you expect with these stupid cheap gyms? And now we go along to Waterstones, which has an amazing Mitsubishi. Nah, just kidding. It's actually another stupid generic. And now along we go to the next shop, and this shop has a Stannery the Stanner.
Delivered within 24 hours.
And along we go into Top Man Top Shop, and this is the smallest Top Man Top Shop I've ever seen. And the lift is a little tiny Stanner. And now go along to the next shop, which has a modernised Stanner. And now along into the next shop, which is DW Sport, and it has... Is it a Stanner? No, it's not. It's a platform lift. Now, it's so nice to know that Crawley has such high quality lifts. Along into the shopping centre and into Boots, which has a stupid generic. And on the outside there's a Schindler Eurolift sign, which is really weird.
Going down. Ground floor. Doors open.
Now along we go into Smith's and into the lift there, and let's go to the staff only basement. Right then, along we go into Primark and into the Eco Disc there. And now along we go into House of Razor, which has an Otis lift.
Give it